Hi, guys. So, today for some independent practice, okay, you're going to be reading descriptions between organisms found on slides 18 and 19. Okay, so they're little cards that have an animal and what that organism is doing. Okay, so those are cards 18 and slides 18 and 19. Then you're going to go to slide 16, okay, and find two organisms that you read all the descriptions about and say, okay, that organism had a relationship or interaction with this other organisms. So you're going to pick two and you're going to try to say, what type of symbiosis is that? Is it mutualism, commensalism, or parasitism? So I want you to try to find two relationships of mutualism, two relationships of commensalism, and two of parasitism. Hopefully, some of you are up for a challenge and want to do more. Okay. So this is slide 17, and this is where you will be recording organism one and organism two. Okay. And then you're going to say, was the relationship positive? Then it's mutualism. Was it negative? Then it's symbiosis. Or am I going to put a zero there, meaning one organism did not benefit, but one gained something, which is commensalism? So you're going to all put your answers on slide 17. The organisms, what type of relationship they had. Was it positive, negative, or one, a zero, meaning that would be commensalism? You can also just type the words commensalism, mutualism, or parasitism as well. Okay, so there's going to be multiple answers. So you'll have to zoom in on slides 18 and 19 and try to figure out a relationship among two organisms on 18 and 19. And then you're going to record your answers on slide 17, saying, how did two organisms interact with one another? Again, your goal is to try to find two of each. Okay? So normally in school, we would print the card, you'd read them and sort them, okay? So if you look at slide 18, okay, we have one done for you. This lovely dog and tick relationship, okay? An animal that runs through the grass and has blood. The tick lives in the grass and needs to attach to an animal and eat the blood. So the reason the dog and tick would go together is I saw an animal that runs through the grass and he has blood. Then you have a tick who lives in the grass. So they're both living in the same habitat here with having grass. One has blood, the other one needs blood. So I paired these two together. And I have to decide, what is the relationship between a dog and a tick based off that situation or their interaction. Okay. And the fact that I know the tick needs blood and the dog has blood. Okay. And it's going to attach that to that animal. It's probably going to annoy or bother that dog, right? So this would be an example of parasitism. So then I would go back to slide 17 and I would write organism 1, dog, organism 2 is the tick, and it is a negative relationship. Or again, just write parasitism or a P there for parasitism. Okay, and then I'll try to find another relationship on 18 and 19. Read all the cards so it's fresh in your head and try to find two of each, ladies and gents. At the very end, your teacher will post the answer key. So the ones you did do, you can see how you did. Okay, so good luck.